powers of coloring. Today's lecture is going to be very sharp for you because the incarnation that you have asked me to speak on is a very sharp one. It's the sharpest of all. We had, say, Krishna's incarnation when he had Hanana Shakti. He has killed Kamsa, he has killed so many Rakshasas, you know, as child also he has killed Putana and so many people. But he had Leela also. He had love. And he did give concessions to people. He forgave people also. But Christ, who is the embodiment of forgiveness of Christ is nothing but is the power of sustenance within him. If he explodes, the whole forgiveness can come on us as a big disaster if we are not able to understand the value of his forgiveness. He has said very clearly that anything said against me will be tolerated. But a word against Holy Ghost won't be tolerated. He has clearly said it. And now you have to understand that. Holy Ghost is Adi Shakti. One has to understand that such an incarnation is imminent. And Krishna's powers are given to him which are only Hanana Shakti. Brahmadeva's powers which are only Hanana Shakti are given to him. Shiva's powers which are just Hanana Shakti, the part of it which is a Tandava, is given to him. Then Bhairava Shakti, which is also, you know what Bhairava has got a symbol of killing, is a big sword-like thing. And also Ganesha's Parasha, and also Hanumana's all Navasiddhis which are going to destroy are given to him. All Buddha's forgiveness and Mahavira's Ahimsa is going to turn upside down. All these 11 powers are going to come on top of us when we will be finished with Sahaja Yoga, when we will be absolutely sorted out and the last killing will be done by him. I wish it was just a killing. It is not going to be ordinary Hanana like even Devi has done. Because Devi has killed all these Rakshasas thousands of years back, but they are back in the seat again, all these Rakshasas. Now the problem is very different at the present moment, which you should try to understand. That in the olden days, till the Krishna's time, when he says that yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata, Vinashaya cha duskrutam, paritrāṇāya cha sadhunām. These two words you must understand.